Do you know that British cycling team won just a single gold medal in Olympic in its 76 years history? They never won the Euro famous, the Tour de France single title. But in 2007, something miracle happened. For next 10 years, from 2007 to 2017, British cycling team won 178 World Championship, 66 Olympic and Paralympic gold medal, including 9 Olympic world record and 7 world record. They also won 5 title of Tour de France. Now, why and how this miracle happened? When Dave Brailsford in 2002 started coaching the British cycling team, when he became the head of this British cycling team, he started making 1% improvement in all areas of British cycling team. Just 1% improvement. He changes the cycle design, even he rubbed the alcohol on the cycle's tires. He changed the paddle, the handle, the seats, the design of everything of cycle. Not only that, he changed even the diet of cyclists. He changed the fabrics of their clothes. He even hired a trainer that how to wash their hands. And he even changed the pillow cover, the pillow's design, the mattress design, and even changed their massage gel so that they will recover from injury very quickly. So all of these hundreds improvement just by 1% every day. So if you want to make any progress in your life, in business, or if you want to improve your health or in any area, if you start getting better just by 1% every day, in a year you will be better by 37% when you have done. Conversely, if you are best in anything, and every day if you become worse just by 1%, by the end of that year you will become at the level of 0. So if you want to make your life better, just improve 1%, but every area of your life. Okay, so making yourself 1% better, if you are getting 37% better by the end of the year, then it's a good choice. So select single area of your life and make it 1% better, and every day start adding other areas too. Let's understand this with an example. If you are traveling from Mumbai to Delhi in an aeroplane, and by mistake if pilot change his direction just by 1 degree, instead of Delhi you will going to land in Chandigarh. If he makes his direction just by 2 degree, if you change his direction just by 2 degree, you will get land up somewhere in Pakistan. Okay, change your direction, change your destiny. So similarly, if you start making 1% improvement in each and every area of your life, you will end up in a different destiny. After all, what is success? Success is the product of our habit. What we are consistently doing and improving, we are getting better and better or worse and worse in that particular area of our life. So making ourselves better by 1% or by worse by 1%, it's a choice that we are making every day of our life. So what are you going to do? Will you going to eat a good food every day? This will make you healthy. Will you going to invest consistently? So that will make you rich. If you start calling every day your friends or relative, that will strengthen the bond of your relationship with them. If you start exercising every day, this will give you a lot of energy. So remember finally this quote by Anthony Robbins is, in a moment of your decision, your destiny is shaped. In a moment of your decision, your destiny is shaped. If you found this video useful and if you are learning something from all of my videos, join the Facebook link. You will find the invitation link below in description. So join that link and stay in touch. This is Yogesh Bagul and thank you.